Hello, this video is about the Capstone project done for the master's program. Here we have the website. This website is hosted on one of our classmates' personal server. It's visited by going to psucovidtrack19.com. It uses the JavaScript API ArcGIS library, uses the Flask API, and it uses pandas for data manipulation. Some of the first things to go over about this website would include the navigation. So here we have an ArcGIS map. The way you move around it, this is left click pan. You can also use the mouse arrows, not the keyboard arrows. Clicking keyboard arrows there. There's zoom levels. I am scrolling the mouse wheel here. Same effect done by clicking the plus and minus in the upper left. There's also a search function. So we can type in a state, city, country, and here you get Pennsylvania, shown by the white dot. Or you can go to your town, zoom out, and we have the town that I live in right there, Sweetos. Next, let's talk about how the data is organized. So here, this website is a way to see up-to-date information about the pandemic, and it's organized into 3 layers. So we have the country layer, which is shown when you zoom out to a certain extent. Then there is the region layer, or in this case the state layer, which provides an extra layer of granularity, and then there's the locality layer, which is county for the United States. So those are the 3 levels of granularity. Next we have the display of the information, so the bulk of the website. So the way to display information here is by clicking on one of these circles. You can see I have this one selected by that teal outline, and we get this pop-up window here. It automatically docks in the lower right hand corner. If you prefer it to follow your feature, you can do that. It'll follow the feature, which can be nice if it docked up here last time, now it docks here. You can get it to dock on the right and left usually. There you go. It's docking on the left. I prefer it set over here. That's the default. That's been programmed in. Next, we will cover some of the metrics that we pull in from our data sets. This is Bing data. So here you can see that we have a country, United States. Just to go over what happens as you zoom in, now you reach one more layer of granularity, and zoom in a little more, and now we have locality data here. All layers have this data, so we have cases, deaths, recovered, these are the number of recovered patients, total cases, total deaths, and the timestamp when the data was pulled. We also have trended some of this data. We have a line graph, and the line graph is right here. Right now it shows day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. we have pulled this from the new cases. This is the new cases. So you get to see the trend of the new cases. We've also created a couple bar graphs for the total confirmed cases and against the total deaths. So you can see sort of that comparison there. Same for recoveries and the total cases, so we can see how far along we are in this area, this region. So that is a majority of the information available. We also added another API to our data set, which adds a little more detail. This data was only available in the United States on the state level, so it's only visible on this layer. It's a little exception. But what we have added here was case fatality ratio, infection fatality ratio, and the number of currently hospitalized. And that's our website. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.